Using the cobot to weld this bunghole flange into this panel, the programming was really easy. The cobot has a menu for programming circles, and we just loaded all the different points into that menu. And even though the angle changed, and in the back of the weld there's a lip, it's impossible to get the perfect angle there, but the circle feature allowed us to have good tracking all the way around. And then the cobot also has a menu for running oscillation and weaving. And so we put a circle oscillation into the procedure. And when we got into locations where the angles changed and they weren't optimal, we couldn't even tell. The weld spread really nicely.